Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet the waffle stitch. We are going to start with a slip knot because we will be working in rows, and we will chain in a multiple of 3. So I'm just going to make a small swatch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'll do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Once you have your multiple of 3, go ahead and add 1 more chain. And then into the 3rd chain from the hook, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, we are going to double crochet. And then we are going to go ahead and double crochet in each chain across. For row 2, we're going to turn our work. We're going to chain up 2, and this chain 2 does not count as a stitch. So we are going to double crochet right here into this first space. And then in the next space, we are going to do a front post double crochet. So what we're going to do is yarn over, and we're going to insert our hook behind this post so the post comes in front of the hook, and then we're just going to double crochet as normal. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. And then we're going to double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then in the next stitch, we're going to do another front post double crochet. So the pattern is going to be 1 front post double crochet and then 2 double crochets. So again, we're going to insert our hook behind the post so the post comes in front of the hook, and then double crochet as normal, 2 double crochets, and then repeat the pattern again. So front post, double crochet, and then 2 double crochets. This is row 2, and this is one of the rows that we are going to repeat throughout the pattern. Once we get to the last stitch here, again, the turning chains aren't counting as a stitch. Once we get to this last chain here, we're going to make a front post double crochet. So that was row 2. Chain up 2 for row 3, or you can turn and then chain up, whichever you prefer. And then in the first stitch right here, we're going to make a double crochet. And then in the next 2 stitches, we will make front post double crochets. And then in the next stitch, a double crochet. And that's the pattern for row 3. So we'll be doing 2 front post double crochets followed by a double crochet. And if you can see, the front post double crochets are done when where the stitches are bumped up. So you can see these 2 look pushed forward. So we'll be doing front post double crochets, and then the one that looks pushed back, we'll just be doing the regular double crochets. And then in this last stitch here, we will be making a front post double crochet. You turn your work, and then we are going to repeat row 2 and then 3. So those are the 2 rows that we're going to keep repeating. So here you can kind of see the waffle stitch starting to take shape. So we're going to chain 2 and then do row 2 again. We're going to repeat row 2. So we're going to start with a double crochet. And then I just want to show you, if you get lost or if you put your work down and you're confused as to where you left off, you will be front post double crocheting into the stitches that look bumped up, and then double crochets in the stitches that look like they're bumped back, just like I showed you in the last row. So you just have to remember to double crochet in that first stitch, and then in the last stitch you always make a front post double crochet. So here you can see what it looks like in cotton and what it looks like in acrylic. I prefer the acrylic for the waffle stitch because it's much fuller and you can see the pattern a lot better. But of course you could do it in cotton as well if you want to make a dishcloth or something similar. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.